All right, let's take a look at how to put more air into the tire on your Honda Odyssey. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the valve on the tire here. It's a little bit low. I'm gonna go ahead and get my air thing here in the gas station, press the button to get it started. Hopefully this is gonna work. Yep, looks good. I'm gonna give it a burst just to clear out. Well, that's water, never mind. Let's find the air, here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a burst to clear out any condensation in there. You can see a little bit came out. Now we're gonna go ahead and bring it over to the tire. I'm gonna get that seated on the Schrader valve there. Again, you can see we're getting a little bit of water coming out. So let's go ahead and get that in. And I'm gonna hold it in place here, and then I'm gonna use my other hand, see if we can get an angle on that to go ahead and actually. Now, cool feature on the Odyssey, I can't hold it in and inflate at the same time, but it'll actually, as you reach the target pressure, you'll get a beep and a little flash on the turn signal here to let you know that you're approaching the set point that you need to be at. When you're there, it'll start to beep really quickly, as it did for me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just put that valve cover back on there, make sure it's nicely protected. We'll put our thing back here in this extremely clean gas station. And now let's take a look and see if our tire pressure indicator should have gone off. Yep, we still have a maintenance indicator, but no more tire pressure indicator light. So we're all good to go on that. Tire pressure is looking good. We can go into the trip computer on here if we want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Go back home, and then we're gonna navigate over. Let's see, we gotta cancel this, this maintenance alert. Okay, we're all good. We're gonna hit the home button here. Then we're gonna navigate our way down to maintenance, go in there. And then we're gonna do tire pressure. And you can see we're all green, so a little lower on there. I guess I didn't get it quite up to the 35 on the others, but we're back in the green and we are good to go.